Damn it. Oh, you saw that, right? Alright, so hello, good morning. It is 11 o'clock right now. Moving on to spot number 2. What I'm trying to do right now is go to as many spots as I can and catch as much as I can before I have to pick my wife up for 6 o'clock. So, wish me luck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are we serious? We're gonna give waiting in a good go because I'm not for like a good 30 feet it's just rocks, so we're gonna try to get past them. Well, on the bright side, I've got a creature bait now. So, leaving spot number 3 now, a little bit annoyed because this public lake I didn't realize today was going to turn into a private beach party, which I would have been fine with if they didn't all put their boats exactly where I was fishing and then leave them there. So this spot's ruined and I'm 0 for 3. Alright, here we are at spot number 6,000. There's a bit of a current coming towards me and then another current going that direction because I'm right next to a dam. Don't know how well you can hear me based off of the waterfall, but today's just been kind of a fail altogether. Probably 2 more spots and then I'll call it quits. If I don't catch anything, then that's the video, sorry.